Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Bybit to Mexc. Alright, so in order to send your USDT tokens over from your Bybit account to your Mexc account, it's easy. Your first step would be to open up your Bybit. So once you've opened up Bybit, head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll through your accounts and locate the asset of your choice, which in our case is the USDT. So your USDT balance would be shown. Once you found your USDT, click on the withdraw option. And then at the withdraw menu, use the search icon to search for USDT. Click on the USDT and you're asked whether you want to perform an on-chain transfer or an internal transfer. Now, you could simply provide an address, a network, and the minimum amount you wish to send, all from your Mexc account. So to do this, minimize and open up the Mexc. Once you've opened up Mexc, simply head over to the wallet section. Once there, click on deposit and simply search for USDT and then provide the network you wish to receive your USDT in. I believe the cheapest network would be the BNB Smart Chain. So tap to generate your address, verify deposit address. We're going to skip this for now. And now simply copy your address. As you can see here, there is no memo, there is no tag required. So minimize, open up Bybit, paste the address here. The network, as we recall, was the BNB Smart Chain. So select the BNB Smart Chain as a network you wish to send your tokens through. The minimum withdrawal is 10. So make sure you enter 10 USDT and then click on withdraw. By doing this, you've successfully sent your USDT from your Bybit account over to your Mexc. Alright guys, and that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.